See. Water is running on top. Hey, so we are here at Muzhappilangad Beach in Kannur, and there is this sea walk here. So I just wanted to make a short video of it, and we're going. You need to pay 120 rupees at this counter. It is at the end towards the south side. So the north side is on the right, south is on the left. Now I'll show you where we're going. Yo, hold on 1 second. My pant is out. Do you see this? That's where we're going to walk now. So you need to pay 120 rupees per head, and they will provide you this life jacket. There is no time limit because it's not crowded now. Only when it's crowded there is time restrictions. So they will ask you to come back after some time. Whoa! This is nice. I'll show you. Look at that. There was one powerful wave just out.
Yeah.
I want one more like that. And you can feel that bend actually. I can't leave the camera down anywhere here. Oh. And this here is the platform. Okay, so I just spoke to the person in charge over here, and he said this was opened recently. It's just been about 28 days. That's it. It's not even a month since this was opened. So yeah, we spent about 15 minutes here, 15-20 minutes here. A nice experience. I think people get seasick if you stand for too long here. Waves when it's strong now, I don't think they'll let you stand here for too long. But it's nice. And details for you, as I said, it's 120 rupees per head. It's open from 9 AM to 7 PM. No breaks in between, so you can come any time of the day. Whoa, the waves are strong. We're on our way back. I don't know how this was. Whoa, that was cool. See that? Water getting on top. Wow. See. Water is running on top. What? You can literally see that wave. Oh, there's one. Yeah. And we're just walking at the drive-in beach. I will start driving in a bit. I will start. Light is very bad, so I think I can only show you this side where my face is visible. Otherwise, it is dark. Beach is beach. No matter how much time you spend at the beach, it's never enough. Chalo. So that was about the sea walk here. That was one activity that I found. So I'll leave all the info in the description. Do check it out.